In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora AI 2 for free. Fat Guy's 40-meter sprint easy tutorial. We'll move step by step, starting from a blank browser and ending with a fun, finished AI video. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This makes it easy to find the official site without memorizing any links. Once the Google homepage loads, click in the search bar and type the word Sora, then press enter. You should see results for Sora right away. Look for the official Sora website in the results and click through. If you spot any ads or third-party tools, skip those and choose the official page to make sure you're using the correct platform. When the Sora site opens, you'll likely land on an Explore or Create page. This is where the magic happens. Before we generate anything, let's talk about your prompt. A prompt is your creative brief to the AI. It tells the model what to show, how it should feel, and the overall tone. The clearer you are, the better the result. Think about characters, setting, action, mood, and any style cues you want. For this tutorial, paste a friendly, detailed prompt into the prompt box. For example, a lighthearted Olympic-style 40-meter race where confident plus-sized athletes dash with big energy, stumble in funny slow motion, and keep the crowd cheering with friendly comedic vibes. This prompt works well because it sets a scene, defines the main characters, describes the action, and locks in a tone that's playful and positive. If you want to fine-tune, you can add details like lighting, camera angles, or pacing, but keep the vibe respectful and inclusive to get the best audience reaction. After your prompt is ready, look for the button that says Create Video and click it. The system will process your request. Depending on traffic and the complexity of your prompt, this can take a little time. While it renders, avoid refreshing the page. Once the video is ready, you'll see a preview. Play it back to check if the energy, humor, and pacing match what you had in mind. If the result isn't quite right, adjust your wording. Make the tone clearer, emphasize the lighthearted feel, or specify more motion cues like gentle slow motion on stumbles or cheering crowd cutaways. Small edits often produce big improvements, and that's it. You searched for Sora, opened the official site, wrote a strong prompt, and created a video for free. Save your result, and when you're ready, experiment with variations to build your perfect 40-meter race scene.